Question: a 220 volts DC shunt motor is operating at a speed of 1440 rpm. The armature resistance is 1.0 ohm and the armature current is 10 amperes. If the excitation of the machine is reduced by 10%, the extra resistance to be put in the armature circuit to maintain the same speed and torque will be. Options are A 1.79 ohm, B 2.1 ohm, C 18.9 ohm, D 3.1 ohm. Solution: given data: DC shunt motor rated supply voltage is equals to 220 volts, speed equals to 1440 rpm, armature resistance equals to 1.0 ohm, armature current equals to 10 amperes, and the field excitation is reduced by 10%. Field excitation IF is directly proportional to flux phi. Phi2 equals to 0.951. DC shunt motor diagram is as shown below. This is supply voltage V given as 220 volts. This is field RF. This is armature with resistance RA and a back EMF EB. Armature current is IA and field current is IF. From this loop, we can write V equals to EB plus IA RA, where EB is back EMF. From this, EB equals to V minus IA RA, and we know N is directly proportional to EB by phi. Therefore, N1 by N2 is equals to EB1 by EB2 into phi2 by phi1. This is equals to V minus IA1 RA divided by V minus IA2 RA plus R. The resistance should be added to maintain torque and speed constant into phi2, that is IF2 by IF1, since phi is directly proportional to IF. In the question, it is asking to maintain torque and speed constant. Torque is constant. Torque tau directly proportional to armature current Ia and field excitation If. But torque is constant. Therefore, Ia1 If1 equals to Ia2 If2. From this, Ia2 equals to Ia1 into If1 divided by If2. This is equals to 10 into If1 by 0.9 into If1. This is equals to 11.11 ampere. Substituting all the values in this equation, speed constant, so n1 by n2 equals to 1 and V is 220 minus Ia1 is 10 into Ra is 1 ampere divided by V is 220 minus Ia2 is equals to 11.11 into Ra is 1.0 plus R into 0.9, since phi2 equals to 0.951. Therefore, 220 minus 11.11 into 1 plus R is equals to 0.9 into 220 minus 10. This is equals to 0.9 into 210. This equals to 189. From the R equals to 1.79 ohms. Answer is option A, 1.79 ohms.